In this video I'll show you how you can drive a manual car, manual gearbox car, and also how to use the gear shift knob, how to use the clutch pedal, but this is really brief, very brief description. Most cars, they have the first gear when you turn left and up forward. Some cars, they will have a reverse gear when you press down left and forward, so be careful with that. You shouldn't be having to press on the gear shift knob. So just turn to left, forward for first gear. Starting the engine, it's really just a matter of turning the key on. You should only do this if you don't have a driving license. You should only do this with someone who actually has a driving license with you, an instructor. This is only to show you like a preliminary tips about how to do things. So most important, start the engine, and while you start the engine, it's good to press the clutch pedal. It's not necessary, but it's good to press it. And make sure the gear shift knob is in the neutral position, and it's in the middle where it's spinning freely. And to drive, this is the hardest part of driving manual. To put it in first gear is just like that, one small movement, but here is the magic. You have to, while you press the gas pedal, the right side is the gas pedal, middle is brake, and the left is clutch. You have to synchronize the movement. Also, different cars, they have different catch points. There is a point where the clutch engages, where the engine starts moving the wheels. You have to learn for your car where is that point. Usually they are more or less in the same places, but you have to do this very smoothly and also give gas to the car so the engine doesn't stall, but also not to do like too much. So it's really, it takes time to practice, and you shouldn't feel bad if you don't get it right the first time. I didn't get it right the first times. You will have a lot of engine stalling. This is for manual. For automatic it's much easier, but I'm talking about manual here. Press it, put it in first gear, press the clutch, start the car, and release the clutch little, press the gas at the same time. That's really all there is to it. It's easy to say it, but it's more difficult to do it in real life. The only way to really learn how to do this is practice, and that's why you have your driving instructor. They will show you, and you should ask them anything that you don't know for sure. Thanks for watching.